Hey y'all, Ms. Star, back here on Ms. Star TV, but this time I'm going to transform myself into Barbie using nothing but LA Colors cosmetics. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to use LA Colors face primer and put it all over my face. Then I'm going to use LA Colors eyebrow pencil in medium brown to fill in and shape my brows. Now, I'm going to use LA Colors Concealant Concealer, put it all around my brows and blend it out, then put it on my eyes as an eyeshadow base, and then put it everywhere that I want to conceal. After that, I'm going to take LA Colors Press Powder and put it all over my eyes to set the eyeshadow base. Okay, now using this LA Colors Color Vibe in Rose eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this fluffy brush and the peachy tone going all over my eyelids. Then I'm going to use a packing brush in the darkest pink shade, packing it onto my eyelids until I reach the creases. Then I'm going to use that fluffy brush in the lightest pink shade and blend it toward my brows. Then I'm going to use that same pink but a smudge brush and smudge it underneath my lash line, like this. Okay, now I'm going to use LA Colors Black Liquid Eyeliner to make small cat eyes on both eyes. Then I'm going to use LA Colors Auto Black Eyeliner to outline both waterlines. Then I'm going to use LA Colors Mascara in Bold Lash on both the top and bottom lashes of both eyes. Okay, now I'm going to put on these LA Colors 3D lashes in Witch's Broom with LA Colors Lash Adhesive. Then I'm going to put LA Colors Matte Foundation in Light all over my face with a beauty sponge. Now I'm going to use LA Colors Press Powder all over my face. Then I'm going to contour and highlight with LA Colors Contour and Highlight in medium to light. Okay, now I'm going to put LA Colors blush on the apples of my cheeks, blending it out with my contouring. Then I'm going to put LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Pinky and outline my lips. Then I'm going to use LA Colors Lip Duo in Pink Frenzy, both the lip color and the lip gloss on my lips. And then I'm going to put on my wig. Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can see when the next video is ready for you to see. Also, don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And don't forget you can support us on Patreon and become a big part of our Star TV family. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.